Luto na naman pancake, oh. Tsaka ito meron kami oatmeal bread. Oatmeal ito guys na may walnut. Sarap ito. Ayan, oh. Homemade. Mayroong walnut at saka blueberry inside. Right, ito pa naman. Hindi masan? Ah. Pati mo na tayo. Right, ito pa naman. Maaraw ngayon ng umaga namin, no? Puriman. Ha? Bakit? Yeah, it's from the Walmart. Target. Walmart. We still have lots more in the freezer. Agree, that's good for here. Yung binili namin.
Yan, marunong gumawa ng pancake si Supurima, no? Nag-aaral na siya. Ito yung pancake namin, oh, yan, oh, ready to cook. Kayang-kaya. Galing ito ng United States, guys, oh, Trader's Joe. Doon pa kami nagsha-shopping.
Nilagyan namin ng dalawang itlog, guys. Good boy. Butter ni Supurima, oh. Spread the butter, Supurima. Spread the butter, Supurima.
Wow, good boy. May bago na akong tagaluto ng pancake, oh. Supuriman.
Uy, one more. Uy, the other one, do yours. Sino mag-aaral eh? Wow, perfect. Nice. Oh la la.
Ayan, para sumarap, lagyan nyo din ng blueberry, oh. Yan, nilagyan ni Supuriman ng blueberry.
Pwede na, no? Yung maliit ang iano mo.
Flip. Yo.
Flip the small one. Oh, you wanna flip the small one?
Oh, nice. I like the color.
Parin pa niya isa kasi kurang ng luto.
I don't know how what's the technique.
See? Good boy. Katawan, let's cook already. Put in the pot. Good boy.
I need to take it out.
One more. Oh, the last one. Perfect.
I'm running some syrup or honey. I'm gonna eat it now. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yum. It's hot. It's hot. It's still hot.
Yan, magkape muna tayo guys, oh. Ang Supuriman, sarap ng kain ng pancake, ha.
And egg.
Sarap ng kape sa umaga. Naluto na naman pancake, oh. Tsaka ito, meron kaming oatmeal bread. Oatmeal ito guys na may walnut. Sarap ito. Ayan o. Homemade. Mayroong walnut at saka blueberry inside. Right, Superiman? Sarap ito, tikman nyo.
It is yum.
Ganito lang ang tinapay na nakakain ko. Gawa sa oatmeal.
And my,
Oatmeal ni Trader Joe. Yan. Organic yung oatmeal na tinda nila ron eh. Sarap. Hindi siya dry. Masarap guys. May walnut siya. At saka blueberry.
Hindi masan? Ah. Okay mga tao. May Superiman? Maaraw ngayon ang umaga namin, no?
Eat pa more, Superiman. Ha?
this butter.
Butter?
What?
Yeah, it's from the Walmart or Target. Walmart.
I'll get baby Walmart.
We still have lots more in the freezer. That's good for a year, yung binili namin.
Oh, maybe that's US. Oh, maybe that's Target. Oh, maybe that's US. That's a USA. Walmart, I think. Yeah, from USA. I think it's from USA.